Okay, so we are back today and we are going to be starting to work on some electrical stuff. Before we start closing everything up, I just want to make sure we got everything kind of ran. Just finished spray foaming the insulation and finished putting up the walls. Like over in this area, we got this piece here and this piece here we're going to get installed. But we're going to spray foam, but I'm going to do everything first. I'm going to get all the wiring for the 110, which you see here. Pan down, there we go. We got the electrical box, we got the 30 amp plug, we have a RV converter charger which is going to hook up to the batteries eventually. We also have these here which are terminal blocks, and these terminal blocks here actually will be where the batteries, we're going to set the batteries up back here. And then we got the 12 volt system here as well too. So all the electrical stuff is going to be going right here. We will be putting an MPPT charger for the solar that's going to be going up on the roof, but that'll come at a later date. We don't need that stuff right now. But for right now, I'm going to work on trying to get at least electrical in here and start getting some of the stuff wired up. We don't have the batteries yet because I'm still doing research on which batteries I want to buy. But the RV converter charger system can do a flat output, and that's probably what we're going to be doing, is setting that up for like a 13.5 output for the voltage, so that it can power some of the stuff on the 12 volt system through here, so we can at least have some lights and stuff and start working.